So these are hoe cakes I'm making, and so when you have the what's it called? We have the coronavirus going on. We can't get to the store to get no bread, and the kids want a snack. Then you just mix a cup of cornmeal together with a half a cup of flour, some salt, put some little oil in it, or any kind of oil, and then you just kind of fry it. And that's traditionally what a hoe cake is. And then you can put jelly on it or peanut butter. And I did not leave the house. I was able to make it at home. And it tastes delicious, and they're quick and easy. So definitely, you all, I want to remind you to get ingredients in your house. Now of course I got my cast iron pan that I'm cooking them with. So make sure that you have your cast iron skillet ready. And the bigger it is, the more cakes I can make. One of them is kind of stuck. One of them is getting kind of brown. So I'm going to have to get off and fix this situation here. But the main thing I want to know is have ingredients in your house. Flour, cornmeal, butter, sugar, cinnamon, turmeric, curry. If you have all those things in your home, then you're going to be able to take care of yourself and your family. All right, I want to get off here. I got a little heat going. Black midwife cooking. Thank you.